Updates as well this afternoon. What we are tracking is a warning that is now coming in from Union Minister Nitin Gadkari to the Punjab Chief Minister. Nitin Gadkari seems to be talking tough to Bhagwant Mann and giving the warning, saying that improve the law and order situation in the state or will nix the development projects. As far as the NHAI may cancel at least 8 projects are concerned, we have Amandeep with us who will help us understand. But in this case, we also talk about this letter that has now been shot off by Nitin Gadkari to the Punjab Chief Minister. And this letter is amid reports of threats to the NHAI officials. And here is the Union Minister who seems to be talking tough on this issue to the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann to improve the law and order situation or otherwise when it comes to projects that have been given to the state of Punjab for its development, for at least when it comes to the NHAI development, that would be nixed, that may be taken off board. So in the meantime, let's talk about this letter that has been accessed by Times Now. This has been written by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari and it has been addressed to the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. I'm just going to quickly read out the excerpts there that are now coming in from this letter. But this is as far as where I can make out what he's been saying on part of the NHAI, which is developing the Greenfield and also the National Highway corridors, including Delhi-Amritsar-Katra Expressway in the state of Punjab. In this regard, I am looking at the serious safety concerns for the NHAI officers, contractors and the staff as well. And this is the issue that is related to pending land acquisition matters as well. This is as far as the concern that has been raised by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Amandeep is with us right now. Amandeep, just help us understand as far as this letter that has been shot off to the Punjab Chief Minister, what are the concerns that Nitin Gadkari is raising?
Well, Amita, there are very serious and major concerns that Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister, has flagged with Punjab Chief Minister. So basically, Delhi to Katra highway that's supposed to cross from Punjab, from several cities of Punjab, including Amritsar, including Gurdaspur, Ludhiana, Jalandhar. So Ludhiana is the one point where these NHAI officials are facing certain kind of threats from different miscreants. And even before writing, before this Union Minister Nitin Gadkari's letter, NHAI officials have written to Punjab Chief Secretary regarding the same issue. There are certain people who are threatening the NHAI officials, contractors and several other people who are connected with these projects, and in fact they are threatening to put their projects on fire. And even several complaints has been lodged by the Punjab police regarding this also, and asking to register the FIR and to ensure the safety and security of NHAI officials so that at least they can smoothly construct the national highway. But that was not happening. So now Nitin Gadkari himself wrote a letter to Punjab Chief Minister, and in fact he straight away mentioned if the law and order situation is not going to improve in the state of Punjab, so NHAI is supposed to withdraw and cancel the 8 projects of Punjab that is approximately valued of 14,000 crore rupees. That is a straight away loss of development to the state of Punjab. And in fact several officials who are staying in Ludhiana and different locations, they are facing certain kind of threats from unknown miscreants. And the threats are like the threats are like that people are saying that they will put their projects on fire or the officials will be killed, and certain kind of threats, so that at least that NHAI officials should vacate their places, should vacate the projects also. And this issue is not a one-day issue. It has been there is sustaining from several months also, Amita. When Chief Secretary, when DGP, when Punjab Police was not able to resolve the issue, so now Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has intervened into the issue and straight away wrote a letter to Punjab Chief Minister. And in fact, this is a very serious concern that NHAI officials who are developing the roads in the state of Punjab, they are not safe and secure. Yes, Amita.